Hey there, struggling with your LG TV not showing up on Google Home? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we're here to help. In this guide, I'll cover everything you need to know about how to fix your LG TV not showing up on Google Home, ensuring you can enjoy voice-activated control and a seamless streaming experience. Step 1. Check network connectivity. First and foremost, let's address network connectivity. Ensure that both your LG TV and the device running Google Home are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To verify this on your LG TV, go to Settings, then select Network followed by Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is stable and not undergoing any service disruptions. If you encounter issues, try rebooting your router or modem to refresh the connection. Step 2. Update software and apps. Keeping your devices updated is crucial for compatibility and performance. Navigate to your LG TV settings, select General, and then About this TV. Choose Check for Updates to ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. Similarly, update the Google Home app on your smartphone. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Google Home, and tap Update if available. Step 3. Reconfigure Google Home setup. If your LG TV still isn't showing up, it might be time to reconfigure your Google Home setup. Begin by opening the Google Home app on your phone. Tap on the Devices section and look for your LG TV under Available to Cast. If it doesn't appear, consider removing and re-adding your TV. Go to the Home app settings, select Works with Google, find LG ThinQ, and tap Unlink. Restart your phone and proceed to add your LG TV back by selecting Setup Device in the Home app. Step 4. Enable LG Connect apps. On your LG TV, ensure that the necessary permissions for Google Assistant are enabled. Go to Settings, then select General, followed by Accounts and Sign In. Make sure you've logged into your LG account, navigate to Connectivity, and enable the LG Connect apps option. This step allows the LG TV to communicate smoothly with Google Home, potentially resolving a connectivity issue. Step 5. Troubleshoot network devices. Sometimes peripheral devices like Bluetooth speakers or additional smart devices can interfere with the connection. If your LG TV remains elusive on Google Home, disable all additional devices linked to the TV temporarily. Then attempt to reconnect. Doing so can help you isolate the issue, ensuring that no other device is causing interference. In conclusion, tackling the issue of your LG TV not showing up on Google Home can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps diligently. From verifying network connectivity and updating software, to reconfiguring the Google Home setup and enabling necessary permissions, each step plays a vital role in reestablishing that seamless connection. Remember to double-check your configurations and keep all devices updated for optimal performance. With these handy tips in your arsenal, you'll be on your way to enjoying a fully integrated smart home experience in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming.